Today's video is going to be quick. I know the last video was slightly over an hour long, and when I reviewed it, you couldn't hear nothing I was saying because the fan was so loud, but it was hot, it was muggy. Today, temperature's creeping up. It's almost the end of the day. I was doing a lot of running around, not working on the car, but did come in here, like I said, to give about maybe an hour, half hour, do some things. So I pulled out the camera. So what was completed was the fuel system. I don't know if I completed all of that on video. It's ready to get fuel. Carburetor's in. It's locked down nice and snug. The last little 2-inch connection of rubber hose, as per NHRA rules, can't have anything more than 6 inches of rubber. The master cylinder is installed. The nuts and bolts through the firewall, tightened down. I'm not too particularly happy with this Jegs line lock. The end portion is standing straight up, and I know eventually this motor is going to come out, and when it does, I'll take the proportionate valve off and either get another brand of line lock or just relocate that. I'm on the fence about how that looks. Did not wire it in yet. You can see I used a compression fitting. Couldn't get the stock fitting out of the proportionate valve, so not too happy about that. Calvert Racing shocks are in, installed. I believe you can see the stud, yep, both sides. And that is about it. I just put the alternator in place so I could get an idea of where the fuel line needs to be. But maybe tomorrow I'm gonna actually reinstall that and connect it all up. This car's got to go to the body shop, and I want it to go running, not pushing like we did the Dart. Hopefully I'm speaking loud enough for the microphone to pick up my voice, because I have a bad habit of speaking low, especially when I'm tired. So I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to find the one-man bleeder that I bought from Amazon, I believe, and I'm going to knock the brakes out tomorrow. Transmission fluid from Amzol's on order, and that will complete this portion of Restoration Roadrunner. Won't be able to film when it's in the body shop, but I will film when I get it back, as well as Dirty Diana. That's getting a modern Hemi, so I got some welding, cutting to do, and some fabricating. Should be some good stuff. So I'm gonna end this now and come back on quickly and unbox the one-man bleeder system. I'll actually review it tomorrow when I actually use it. I'm just gonna unbox it, see what's going on. Okay, stay tuned.